14-channel remote control alloy dump truck. Full model 3-axle differential transmission, front leaf spring suspension, rear 4-wheel independent suspension. Full model rear jump bite, 1:14 realistic model scale. Simulated airbag suspension, body and rubber tires, 2.4G high-frequency remote controller. Bright lights, nighttime construction operations. High torque and powerful motor. Front and rear 3 differential structures. Simulated real vehicle operations. Large capacity full metal jump bed. Full proportional remote control. #14-channel remote control alloy dump truck.